at USF are out to prove that thinking green doesn't have to be extreme. They showed our Bill Logan a new strategy to change the bottled water habit, keeping plastic out of landfills. Bill joins us now live on campus with a look at the surprising money-saving side effect that they also discovered. It's pretty interesting, Bill.
It really is interesting, Dia, and the thing is that it's going to be one of those things that they can take from the college campus into the community. This is, of course, the ubiquitous plastic water bottle. We see them everywhere, and they're seeing, frankly, too much of them here on this campus, and that's why they're trying to get rid of them and their waste.
Out in the sun in the summer, it's important to hydrate, and here on the USF campus, the water bottles are out in force. According to this suit-wearing, bottle-toting anthropologist, those throwaway bottles, like the one here on the right, is simply the wrong choice.
The egregious thing about all this is that it takes 3 times the amount of water to produce the bottle as it does to fill it.
And Dr. Christian Wells is looking to stop that plastic waste.
That are not going to go into a landfill because people aren't buying them.
That's because USF has bought and installed a bunch of these water refilling stations where anyone with a suitable decanter can belly up and download some free H2O. It's one of the big initiatives this Director of Sustainability has put in place here.
Most of our research in sustainability is called applied research, where we actually take the product and demonstrate it and do something about it.
As of right now, there are 15 of these machines located on campus here, but the plan is to put twice that many into place, all over the place.
And already it's paying off as a counter keeps track of the plastic bottles saved as each reusable jug is filled.
Certainly it's win-win for those who would buy the water. The bottled water, and it's an incredible savings.
So they're also reducing the amount of paper products that are used in all the food places around campus and everything like that.
For students like Joe Leonard, it's a win-win-win situation.
I feel like, I'm saving a lot of money by just filling up water in the facilities and then doing my part for the environment by reducing my plastic and carbon footprint.
And those counters that we saw there keep adding up and up and up. They're into the hundreds of thousands now, which means that hundreds of thousands of these bottles won't end up in landfills or in dumps or on the side of the road. And that savings we can all enjoy. Reporting live this morning on the campus of USF, Bill Logan, ABC Action.